Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Starline i96 Pro on this really lovely Audi RS3 2023 automatic. How the system works, someone grabs this key, jumps in and tries to start it. You'll see that the vehicle will start and it will cut out. There you go, vehicle's cut out and it will come up with these errors. Okay, very normal. So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, no foot on the brake, start button on, insert a code. On here we've done just something very basic just for video purposes. So 1, 2, 3, hear our melody and then start the vehicle. So if you notice now, obviously there's no error codes because obviously we've done a correct start, but when I was testing I was actually showing you that the error codes will come up if you just jump in and try and start it. Okay, the system on here takes about 30 seconds to set because it's an Audi, Volkswagen, Audi and Bentley take 30 seconds arming period. So obviously if we were to test it now, the vehicle will start. So if you want to change the code, so obviously we're waiting for it to reset, but we're going to show you how to change the code. If you want to change the code without your foot on the brake, just turn the start button on, insert the code, so 1, 2, 3, receive our melody. There you go, and then hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times and cycle the ignition off, back on, you get 5 bleeps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start button off, pause, back on. We get 5 bleeps, okay? So I'm going to touch these buttons and see which ones work. These are quite responsive, quite surprised. So we've got many buttons on here. No idea what the code is, but we're just going to get a confirmation. There you go. So let's just try basic code. For example, we're just going to wait for a confirmation. And then repeat that code again. And we get the same confirmation, that means the code's learnt. There you go, code has now been learned. Okay, so previously we were on the window buttons, now we've just actually moved it to the steering wheel. So let's just do a test now. So start button on without your foot on the brake. Do your code. Melody. Then start. Really simple, really straightforward. As you notice now, no error codes are coming up and we can select a gear and drive away. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. Okay, if you want to place it in valet mode, this is also very simple. So if I just turn on the ignition within 10 seconds, you'll hear it be disarmed. There you go. So I'm going to hit one of the buttons on the network 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Start button off and back on. 2 bleeps. This is now in valet mode. And when I get the vehicle back, just main ignition on, insert your code, double bleeps, now out of valet mode. Okay, so if we let it set now, it takes about 30 seconds, as I said, on these VAG vehicles. And this is the i96. If we try and start it now, you'll see that it will start. Car's not cutting out, let's just see. But it's actually giving us gearbox lock, you see? So we got gearbox lock. So this has got 2 forms of immobilisation. Okay, so it takes about 30 seconds to arm on the digital part of the start, and the gearbox lock takes about 10 seconds. If you want to get one of these fitted, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thanks for watching, bye-bye.